Okay, this video here, it's a video that I will show you guys how to apply for the stimulus package small business loan that they giving out to business owner or business owners. So please follow step by steps how I'm gonna fill out this application so you can qualify for the loan. Remember, this small business loan, it's up to $10,000, and it's first come, first serve. So if you please follow step by steps how to apply for the loan. So you see here, this the sba.gov. When you go on Google, you click on sba.gov, and this page will come up. When this page come up, you'll see up here all the way to the top, it's a coronavirus COVID-19 apply for the economic injury disaster loan, and you click here to click for the loan. So bear with me, and here's this page. So it's loading. Bear with me, my computer's slow, or maybe the system slow. Bear with me, it's a loading here. And you see, it give you expiration date. To apply for this loan, the expiration date it's September 30th, 2020. So this is the first page or the second page, if you may, and it tells you how to apply for the loan. So, and here you have to choose one of these. So if you're a business owner, if you're LLC or business owner, and say here applicant is a business with not more than 500 employee. 500 employee, you can apply for this. And if you're an applicant who operate under a sole proprietorship with or for employees or independent contractor, you can sign this. So I know most of my clients, they fall into this ones where they might be independent contractor. Real estate agent can do this one. Car salesmen can do this one. So this is the best route. Lawyers with one or two employees, this is the best route for them. So, and I know I fall into this category here. So you scroll down, and with this one, you have to review and check all the following. This one, um, it's the guideline where it says here the applicant is not engaged into illegal activities. Of course, you're not engaged in illegal activities. So, and here also you don't owe any child support obligation. You check this one. If you do not, if you do, well, sorry, too bad. And this one, you're not a farm. So you click here if you're not a farm. And this one, you're not doing anything sexual in any sexual nature, like prostitution, all those illegal stuff that have to do with sex. And this one here, application does not derive more than 1/3 of the gross income period from legal gambling. So you're not gambling. You're not doing any gambling activities. So, and then the next one is that you're not doing any lobbying, like you're not involved with any politician. Okay. So, and the last one, um, applicant cannot be a state, local, or municipal government entity and cannot be a member of Congress. So you're not a politician, basically. That's what they say. So you click next. Okay, that's the next page. So the next page here, this is where you put your business name. So um, you guys see in my business name, but of course you guys get to the business name. So, but I'm gonna put this for a business name here. You can put real estate agent, realty LLC. That's the name, and the trade name will be the same thing. That's the business legal name. The trade name will be what you operate under. Will be the same thing also. LLC. Okay, so and here you put the EIN number for the business or Social Security if you're one member. But if it's a business, put the best bet is to put the EIN number. So this is not my EIN number, guys. Don't think you can use it, okay? And you here you have to choose the organization type, okay? And here says okay, because LLC, you can pick limited liability company, or if you S corporation, C corporation, you can pick any of those. But I'm gonna pick that's what I am, limited liability company, and then for the applicant, it's a non-organization, non-profit organization. No, and if it's a franchise, no, it's not a franchise. So here, just the fiscal year. Just questions for this fiscal year. You see, even though it asks this question, it's meant that from February 2019 until this month, until February or January 2020. So that's your gross income. So that's an average. If you make $100,000 for the gross for the year, you put it. So that's $100,000 for the year. That cost of goods sold for the 12 months. So if you state employee and you don't sell goods, you just do a service. If you're a tax preparer, you don't sell goods. If you're car salesman, yes, you can put how many cars you sell. If you like a marketplace where you sell herbs, you can put how many goods you sold. But for me, I'm gonna put zero. If I'm a rental property owner, but I'm not. You can put the loss of rent to this disaster. But for this, I'll put zero also. So this non-profit cost of person for 12 months due to the disaster. So the non-profit cost for this will be okay. The non-profit cost for me will be 70 grand. 70 grand, right? So, and all of this did not, maybe for you, they'll be good for you, but for me, it did not apply for me. Maybe for you, they'll be apply, but for me, they are not apply, they are not apply for me. So, okay, you can skip all the way to here, which is the red, the important of the red, and then you click, you put the address of the business, the primary address of the business. Okay, you put the city. The city can be no. This is the state. The county will be Broward, of course, and the phone number is alternative business number, yes, you can put it. If you have fax number, you can put either. And just the email. Yes, this is my real email, guys. If you guys can want you to use it, you guys can use it. And date of birth. Okay, so this here, does current owner sense? I'm sorry. Let's go back here. I put date of birth. This date business established. So business established in 2016. The current owner, I'm still the current owner of the business, so I'm gonna put the same time for the business. And this here will be the business activity. Business activity will be in finance, and detail business activity. So this, I think there's a real estate one here. Did I see it? No. Nope, there is not. If I'm not mistaken, I will be the first one. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, finance order, like, okay, real estate. Okay, so real estate, not developer. Okay, this will work also. And then you can put, if you have any employee at all, you can choose one. But if you don't, you can put 0. Okay, and click next. Employee meaning that if you pay, if you have to give anybody a 1099 at the end of the year, of the beginning of the year, if you have to give to some anybody a 1099 miscellaneous, that those consider your employee. Or if your business, you give people 1099s, then yes, you should. So the name will be Jones, last name will be first name John, last name will be Jones. Yeah. Your phone number will be this. Title, you'll be the owner of the business, or if you're not the owner, manage your account, whichever you want, but most likely the owner will fill this out. And percentage of ownership should be 100%. And email at Gmail. So if you don't put your social security, well, you should put your social security. Not if you don't, if you want to. I'm sorry. Um, this date of birth, place of birth, Miami. Are you citizenship? Yes. Or if you're not, you can click no. So let me slow down so you guys can see this. First name, last name. It's explanatory. You can see this for yourself. And your resident address. Um, West 441. City will be Fort Lauderdale. And you put the state, you put the zip code. And I missed something on top. Yes, on top. You see, you go on top. Don't miss this one. Is your business owner by business entity, the answer will be no, because you are your business owner doesn't own by any entity. It's you, the owner yourself. You're the only owner. You're the primary owner. So when you fill this out, you'll click next. Okay. So these questions here also, these questions here, they're about criminal offense, the first one. The second one is about if you ever apply for loan or suspended loan to government or receive any federal grant before. No. So and this also is about criminal activities. So if this not apply to you, click no, click no. Okay, so here, that's if anybody assists you of apply this one, or if they charge you. So the question will be no, because this I'm teaching you how to do this yourself. So you click no on this one, and this will just the last page. As you can see, it's the last page. So and then you click, and this is the main part. Don't forget this one. After you finish into all these questions, you scroll down and you say yes. I give permission to SBA to discuss any portion of this application with representative list above. That's no, you have no one to discuss it with. And you click here. I would like to consider for an advance for up to $10,000. And that's bank and for you, but whichever bank that you deal with, credit union, if you do a credit union, and you put the account number, and you put the account number, just the writing that you put, and once you finish, you, okay, what is he saying is not red. Okay, once you finish, you click here, which should say here, I hereby certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States that the above is true and correct. And you click next. And you click next. I'm not gonna click next because this is not an application. This is not the real application. I'm not gonna click next. When you click next, it will give you a confirmation number, and I think that it might send you email also. But it will give you an application number. The application number, you should print it or make a copy of.